Hello, fourth graders. Welcome back. Today we're going to be working on page 242 of your math workbook, and we're talking about the different kind of shapes and different fractions that go with them. One whole is a hexagon, so it'd be like the yellow hexagon. A half is going to be a trapezoid because that would take away half of this because each one of these would be one half. Together, two halves make a whole. The 1/3 would be the rhombus, and that's a little bit harder for me to draw, so I'm going to skip drawing that. But if you had three rhombuses, they could fit inside of this. That would make it 1/3. And then as far as triangles go, we could do, here we have 6 triangles, which is why each triangle stands for 1/6. So that's kind of the premise for all this. What I would do to help us out, make it a little bit easier, I think, is turn them into a common denominator. So for all of these, since 6 is the smallest one that we have, 1/6 is the smallest, we could turn them all into 6. If you had one whole, it would be the same as 6/6. 1/2, we could turn, so how many of these, if we want to turn these into 6s, we could triple both of these numbers. So 1/2, if we tripled it, would become 3/6. 1/3, we're trying to get the 3, the denominator, to become a 6, so we can multiply. So these we multiply by 3. These we would multiply by 2, and that would turn into 2/6. And 1/6 is just going to be the same thing for a triangle. So ultimately, you can kind of see what the grand scheme of things, what they are. So a hexagon is 1 whole or 6/6. A trapezoid is 1/2 or 3/6. A rhombus is 1/3 or 2/6. A triangle is 1/6, both ways through. What they're making you do on this, and these problems, is you have to add numbers that have different common denominators. So you have 1/2 plus 1/6. If we use our cheat sheet up here, half of it would be like a trapezoid, plus 1/6 is a triangle. We talked about how 1/2 is the same as 3/6 because we could triple these, multiply both of these by 3, and then add 1/6 to it. If you add 3/6 plus 1/6, you get the answer of 4/6. And they are asking you for what is the lowest number of pattern blocks that you could use out of these. In 4/6, if we divide both of these by 2, cut them both in half, you would get 2/3. And looking at our cheat sheet, we could do 2/3 pretty easily by having 2 rhombuses. So the answer for this one would be 4/6 as far as the sum. And then we could do 2 rhombuses. So that is kind of the premise of everything that we're working on. I'm trying to see if there's anything else I should be telling you. On the bottom of the page, you're just going to be asking which one has a greater sum, so you're adding them, just trying to figure out, you're comparing them. You can certainly use common denominators. You can use the shapes that we have. But that is kind of the gist of it. I think you guys will do very well at this once you understand that a hexagon is 1, trapezoid is 1/2, a rhombus is 1/3, and a triangle is 1/6. All right, good luck. Let us know if you have any questions. Take care. Enjoy your spring break. Bye.